guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today we are doing a Club Factory stationery haul. This was a requested video and because I've purchased everything from every category of Club Factory, I thought why leave stationery? So I thought I will give it a try because I love stationery a lot. You must be aware about it. And so many of you also wanted me to do Wish ka haul, but I don't know why Wish app doesn't make really sense to me because I put things worth 500 in my cart because things were really affordable. I don't deny that, but when I was checking out, during the checkout, everything, I mean, they were charging me 1000 plus rupees for the delivery or the shipping, which was crazy. So I think they take delivery charges on each and every product, and so that is something I really didn't understand. So I'm waiting for the day when they have free shipping, which I don't think is possible, but yes, I'm waiting for that. And when that happens, you obviously can expect a great massive haul from wish.com, Wish app. Yes, so let's get started with Club Factory. And to be very honest, it is not just Club Factory. I bought a couple of things from Amazon as well, so that's a little bit of a cheating there. So I'll have some things from Amazon as well, which of course is stationery and a game in the end of the video. So let's get rolling. Everything came in a package like this. I think I spent around 1500 on this entire stationery thing. So this packet is worth 1500 rupees. So I'm going to pull out things one by one and let's see what all we have in here. They're mostly notebooks. So everything actually, there's this outer wrapping right here, which is great. I mean, for stationery, I don't really mind this kind of a packaging. And they really had a lot of things, honestly, guys. Their selection, I mean, you just keep on scrolling and they have so many things in stationery, so much of varieties there. So everything actually came in this Ziploc bag. So there was this packaging and then everything was in a Ziploc bag, which is okay for Club Factory. Let's start with post-its. So I got this post-it, which was really cute, and the pricing, I would say, I don't remember the price point and everything. I will try and give it here on the screen for you guys, but the thing is that the price point is not really that cheap. I'll be very honest, it is kind of a medium range. It is not very inexpensive, as we call it, very affordable. Club Factory ka wo zamana gaya when things were like very cheap. Now they are like affordable. They are at par with other websites. So unless they sell something very exciting, I don't think we will be really motivated or drawn to Club Factory. Club Factory, come back to the original pricing. So I got this post-it and I thought they would send a couple of them, but I just got one of this, and it's a very cute little, I think it's a ghost. Yeah, it's a cute ghost. And yeah, so I got this. I'm a sucker for post-its. I love post-its because my life, literally, you guys, is on post-its. I make notes for every single thing. So one post-it. Then I got a small little diary. So this is what it looks like. It's a beautiful mint color diary, and I thought I'm going to write some quotes or things like that into it, and this is something I really like. So there is this engraving of a really cute face which says show your smile, and then at the back it says if you laugh, tomorrow will be fun, which I totally agree with. You can also use this as on the go kind of a notebook. You can just put it in your bag or in your purse. I really like these kind of things, and they have a lot of color sheets as well, so like they alternate with off-white, pink, yellow, green, and all of that. Really like it, and I will probably be writing quotes and things like that in this one, which I feel would be really handy for me. And then moving on to something, a small little thing, is this one. Now it is a sticky tape or a sticker kind of a thing. So it came in a packaging like this, and then when I open it, there is this sticky tape. So it has a lot of things. There is this tape right here, and the stickers read mercy, then it says for you, then it says just for you, then it says bless you, it says thank you, it says best wishes. So there are a lot of stickers which are really handy if you are a person who, oh god, the roll has come off, it's really irritating. I'm going to do it later. So gone are those days when we used to spend lots and lots of hours probably in Archie's or in a cards shop, you know, trying to find that particular and the best card for our loved ones or for our family people. So for those times when it is very difficult for us to pen down somebody a note or a thank you thing, it is easier to kind of just stick a note. I think even that shows a little bit of, you know, love and care. I feel like I just like to personalize things a little bit, so yes, it'll be easier for me with this one. And then I got this one. I don't know what this one is used for, guys. I think it's a tag or a flashcard or those kind of things. So it came in a box like this, brown box, and then it just have tons and tons of these kind of cards which are like plain and just very simple. nothing exceptional, but I think you can just use it as a tag as well. You can write notes on it and put it with your gift or something. So I think it can have a lot of uses, especially if you're giving somebody a gift. It is great to leave a note or things like that. So I really liked it, and it's like a cardboard kind of a material. It's quite stiff. This was a little expensive. I don't know why. I can definitely make these kind of it myself, but I just wanted to give it a try, and I think these kind of notes would look great with this sticker. I feel like I can just, you know, I feel like I can just stick these kind of stickers on these notes and then write something. It'll be great. So I really liked it. I might also use it as a flashcard for memorizing some important things in my studies. You can do that as well, but this is brown. I don't think that the writing will show, but I think it can be used as a great tag card or something. Again, very nice. Then I have a couple of notebooks right here, so it's all notebooks and nothing else. So I'll just take out the notebooks. The first one is this one. It's a beautiful corally pink in color, and I think it's a planner, guys. You guys know I love planners like anything. So this is what it looks like in a landscape mode, and it opens up like this. So it says the Voylla story, and it says brave, do yourself, don't change for anyone, and it has a lot of quotes in here. And then when I open it again, it says brave, do yourself, don't change for anyone. And then when I further open it, it has these kind of sheets where you have this kind of a paper where it says free note, and it has lines and some plain space where I can write things. And then it also has this kind of a planner kind of a thing. So it's a kind of a weekly planner, guys. The numbers are mentioned on top, the dates are mentioned, and you can just tick it, and then you can go with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then you can just write in your things or whatever you want to write. And I think it is a great thing to keep track of things. Then I got this. Now this was very exciting for me. This is a sticker coloring book. Can you see it has so many pages of stickers, just full of stickers, so you can literally color it yourself, write thank you or write best wishes or whatever. There's a spacing right there, and just stick it wherever you want to. So again, a great idea. As it is, I'm a lot into coloring books and all. You know, taking the pencil and coloring into something is so much exciting, and it is so peaceful. It gives me a really nice, relaxing, soothing kind of a time. So that is kind of a me time moment when I'm just coloring. I don't do it in any particular order, neither I'm a painter or anything of that sort, but yes, it's just so soothing, just brushing my kindergarten skills a bit. So yes, it has a lots and lots of stickers. Literally there's so many pages. I'm not really sure if I would be able to color each and every sticker, but yes, a great way to kill time. Love it. And then the last but not the least, and one of my most favorite, is this diary. The quality of this diary, guys, I can't even tell you. It is so beautiful, and the quality of this diary is again very good. Diary or a notebook. It says life is a long lesson in humility, and it has this color block kind of a thing. Really like this color combination, and when you open it, it has this kind of a page which is really unicorn kind of a thing. Very, very beautiful. I really like it. It's very cute. That is the first page, and then it has these kind of plain sheets. I like to write on plain sheets as opposed to the ruled ones. I feel like a plain sheet is just like life. You can just, you know, make it the way you want to. And then the white sheets are alternated by these kind of brown or nude color sheets, which I think is a great nice touch. So you can also use these nude or the brown sheets as a divider, which is great. So I really like this diary. This one I think was around 200 and 300 rupees. So guys, that was the entire stationery from Club Factory. Now things are not really that affordable, but yes, the quality is good. I would say for the first time for Club Factory, I feel quality is really nice of all the stationery products. So I'm quite happy with the stationery things of Club Factory. Now, as promised, moving on to the Amazon thing. So I got 2 notebooks from Amazon. So sometimes Amazon can be really dicey when it comes to stationery. I feel like not only it is overpriced, but also sometimes the quality is not good. And one such example is in this notebook. I got this one. It looks very Victorian print. That's what I would say. So I got this notebook not just for the print itself, but I thought if I can make use of it, I think cuteness with functionality can be the best thing sometimes, but it is not really that functional. So this was expensive, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, for the quality and for the number of pages that we have, so you might be drawn to this particular notebook for the print, but it is not that functional unless of course you want this size of a notebook. So it's like really tiny, and the number of pages are also very less. Of course, I have started to use it, if you can see. So I've started to write and all of that in this one, but the thing is that it is not that great of a book. So the paper quality is not really that bad, but yes, it is not such a functional book because it is really tiny. And then I got this notebook, guys. I think I've shown it in my favorites one as well. So this is a Q&A, 365 question, 5 years, 1,825 answers. This is a 5-year journal. It is kind of really nice if you're into bullet journaling or journaling your life or making account of your life. I think this is a great idea, and I just love to kill my time using these kind of diaries. So it has every single day of the year, and then it mentions a question, and then you have the dates right here, and you have the year right here. So you have 5 years, so you have to fill your answer for 5 years. Like for example, in 2018 on 24th of January, whatever the answer is, I would pen that down, and then the next year and the next year and the next year I would be answering the same question for 5 years. And then I think that's a great way to see yourself evolve, and how your answers and your wisdom and everything that you perceive changes along the years as you grow up. I really found that really interesting, and so that is a very interesting thing. So I'll try and give links of each and everything in the description box. You can check that out. So next guys, I have this. It's a very beautiful folder or a binder. I think folder would be much more appropriate a word for this one. So it's a really beautiful fuchsia-ish pink color with a polka dot inside of it, and it was really cute. They also had this one in a blue color, but pink had my heart that day, so I got this one. Now it has a lot of protectors, sheet protectors, so you can just put in your notes, whatever it is A4 size, and you can just put in your notes and you can just read it if you are a student. But if you have a lot of bills and all those kind of things which you are like scared will get damaged, so the sheet protectors will take care of it. So it has 60 pockets into it, and you can just put in your notes. So I will definitely be getting more of these sorts if you can. I think it is a little bit expensive on Amazon, so that's why I purchased just one, because I'm planning to go to Daryaganj maybe this Sunday, and I'll see if I can get these kind of folders there, because their things are really cheap. The folders and everything is very cheap, so they actually weigh and sell like per kg or kilo ke hisab se. So I'll try and find these kind of folders. If not, then of course Amazon Zindabad. So loving this one. Then moving on to the last thing that I got is, again guys, this is magnet dartboard. I was into this from such a long time. I wanted to buy it from a really long time. I wanted to buy that cork one and the actual darts, not really sure what they're called. So I wanted to buy that. So I'll just quickly show you. This is what it looks like. So it is a normal dartboard kind of a thing, very casual, and you just have to hang it from a nail somewhere, and this is magnetic, so it hangs like this, and these are the darts or something. So these are things that you aim with, so it is also magnetic. So if you are trying to strike it, it just like this, see? So it works like this. I just hang it in front of my bed, and that's what I do when I'm doing nothing. So yeah, that was everything. So this one I think was for around 450 rupees or something, and yeah, I'm quite excited with this one. So yes guys, those were all the things that I purchased from Club Factory and Amazon. My stationery love never ends. So till the time we have this channel, I'll keep coming up with a lot of stationery hauls, because I think love for stationery is eternal. So with that guys, I'll wrap this video up. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've liked this video, please do not forget to give this video a quick thumbs up. Also make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Hit that red button, the bell button as well, so that you can watch it ASAP. So thank you so much once again for watching this video guys. I will see you in my next video very soon. Till then, you take care of yourself. I love you very much. Bye guys. Mwah.